Hello guys, welcome back on YouTube channel. Today we will speak about September and we will try to understand what will happening. It seems that on 18 September the Fed will cut the rate with 0.25. That's the theoretically this is a positive thing for the market, but in the reality, along with the history, when we come after a long time with a high rate, we are now over 5%, in the moment when the Fed cut the rate, first of all, then we have a correction and then the market go up. Looking back on the history, we can see that every time when we have a rate cut, it seemed that a correction is follow. This is the 2001 dot-com crash, it was an epic one, and after that we have in 2008 the big crash who lasts over 1 year. It seems also this time, if the history it will be to repeat, we can expect a correction. That's why we believe that September it will be, let's say so, a red month, yeah. And it's quite possible that before we see a big rally, we will have a very important correction in September. If the history it will be to repeat like in 2001 and 2008, we will see. So, and about seasonality, it's also quite important that looking over the last 10 years, we can try to predict how the September will look. Red September, from our point of view, it's quite possible, because if we look over the every month, it's most of them they are, let's say so, plus month, positive one, but some of them like June, August in some case, and September special, they are, let's say so, the red month, the correction month. And that's why we believe that this month, September, we will see another correction. And if we look in special in the years before the pump, the halving years, we speak now about 2016 and 2020. We, after say so, not so impressive September, we have 2 or 3 good months. And from our point of view, we expect also for this cycle to have a red September between 10 and 12% or more. With the Fed pivot, we have all the factors who can bring a red September and a very serious correction. And of course, when Bitcoin suffer a correction, the altcoins they get hit quite harder, and that's why we expect to have let's say so, a very difficult month for the altcoins. But this is in the finally, from our point of view, let's say so, a very positive news, because it will represent a huge opportunity to buy the dip and to accumulate on some important position. And if you're already all in the market, then you should relax and wait for October and November, because also historically October and November are the best months in the crypto, and we expect that after this red September, we expect an October and November to have we expect some huge rally between 30 and 40%. And our prediction for a couple of months ago, when we expect that we say that from our point of view, BTC should be between 80 and 90k at least until the end of the year, become quite realistic from our point of view. Of course, we can be wrong, but if we look back on the history and it repeats, then yes, we have all the chances to be right. That's why in the conclusion, September should be a red September with a very hard correction for the Bitcoin, 10, 12, or 50%, and that will mean at least 30 to 40% to the altcoins. Most of them, not all of them, of course, but most of them will get hit quite harder. But it will be, like we say, a huge opportunity to buy and to accumulate, buy the dip, accumulate, and prepare for October and November when we will have a very serious pump. Theoretically, also December is it's a positive month, but not always. That's why we believe that it's possible we'll continue to go up, but not so, let's say so, not so much, another 10-12%, but in totally we expect that BTC to maybe double the value from September, because we think that in September BTC can go down to 50 or maybe 48k or a little bit down, but more realistic, we believe that BTC should be in September between 50 and 48k, and that's why from this point of view we expect October, November and December, in these 3 months what will follow after the red September, Bitcoin to go over 80-90k in the most let's say so conservative prediction, but it's also possible that we will see BTC over 100k. So guys, until next time, stay in crypto, stay positive, follow us for more, don't forget to subscribe, and